Hi everyone, I am Chef Claudette Zepeda and I'm going to show you my version of a Baja Fish Tacos. Here I have some Lingcod. We want to make sure all of the pin bones are removed, seasoned with just salt. So we're going to make our batter, AP flour, some cornstarch, garlic salt, baking powder, club soda or sparkling water with a little bit of parsley. And we have our slaw, cilantro, red cabbage, and green cabbage, a bit of Roma jalapeno, some lime into this, pinch of salt. We have our Mexican crema here, and we're just gonna add Japanese mayo. I like to mix them together. Always corn tortillas when you're making fish tacos, por favor. That's good. Fish tacos, my way. Buen provecho.